And as for the warning, alhamdulillah, we finished it before as well. And I need now to ask you for your cooperation now, for your questions. If you have any questions, we finish the chapter. Tafadhal, doctor.
Sheikh, we talked about the musallin in the khutbah. If the imam, the khatib sneezes and says Alhamdulillah, do everybody respond?
No. If the imam sneezes and says Alhamdulillah, we can't say to him Yarhamukallah, and he cannot say to us Yahdikumullah yuslih balakum, because that will bring ikhwani, that will bring some sort of noise and nuisance and cause the khutbah not to be as official as it's supposed to be. Khutbah is supposed to be, everybody is like electrified. It's like to open the door for people to talk and all of that. So wallahu a'lam, we do not make tashmeet to the imam and to the khatib when he sneezes. Just like
And says Alhamdulillah.
it's exactly like when he's in a prayer. We don't say to him Yarhamukallah in the prayer. He sneezes and says Alhamdulillah. I'm not going to say to him Yarhamukallah. He's not supposed to say Alhamdulillah anyway. Now, he's not supposed to say Alhamdulillah. Who's that?
Khatib.
No, I'm talking the imam. The khatib could say it, but with a low voice to him, Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
Now,
does the sneezing person have to say Yahdikumullah wa yuslih balakum every time? If someone says Yarhamukallah.